Finding the real problem. Hello, everyone. Today I want to talk about one of the most important steps in problem solving, making sure we are solving the real problem, not just reacting to the symptom. Many people want to jump straight to solutions. That is understandable. When something goes wrong, we want to fix it quickly. But here's the danger. If we do not understand the real problem, our solution may only create temporary relief. Think about a flat tire. If you walk outside and see that your tire is low, you could put air in it. That may seem like the solution, but what if there is a nail in the tire? In that case, low air pressure is only the symptom. The real problem is the puncture. Until you find and fix that, the tire will keep losing air. The same thing happens in organizations. A business may say, "Sales are down, we need more advertising." Maybe that is true, but maybe the real problem is poor customer service, high prices, slow response times, or a product that no longer meets customer needs. A supervisor may say, "This employee has a bad attitude." But after looking closer, the real problem might be unclear expectations, lack of training, burnout, or a communication breakdown. Good problem solvers slow down long enough to ask better questions. What is actually happening? Who is affected? When did the problem begin? What evidence do we have? What assumptions are we making? What might be causing this beneath the surface? One helpful tool is the 5 whys. You ask why several times until you move past the obvious symptom and get closer to the root cause. For example, why are customers complaining? Because orders are late. Why are orders late? Because employees are falling behind. Why are employees falling behind? Because the process has too many approval steps. Why are there too many approval steps? Because no one has reviewed the process in years. Now we are getting closer to the real problem. The lesson is simple. A problem well defined is already partly solved. Before you recommend a solution, make sure you understand what you are truly trying to fix. As you work through problems in this class, do not rush to the first answer. Step back, ask questions, look for evidence, and challenge your assumptions. That is how we move from reacting to problems to truly solving them. Here are 3 questions to think about. Have you ever seen someone try to solve a symptom instead of the real problem? What questions could they have asked before choosing a solution? How can slowing down at the beginning actually save time later? Remember, the best problem solvers are not always the fastest. They are the ones who take time to understand what is really going on. Hope you're having a great week and an amazing semester.